guys, Plush2x, and this is the look you get when you're tired of cooking all day. I've been in this apron slaving over this hot stove, cooking all kinds of stuff. Cherry juice, corn, stew, tomato stew. I just mean this kitchen throwing down. I know I don't do too much on PBK Plush2x Vegan Kitchen lately, but if you go back to like the beginning episodes, oh, there was some cooking episodes on there. But yeah, stay tuned for more. With Plush2x Vegan Kitchen, this is not an episode, but I just did the whole theme for it. Bye. Look at my gorgeous natural hair. Yeah, it's pretty long. Versatile. I love doing my twisties too. But anyway, the edges is kind of small, but growing back. Still got my baby hair.